Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Audacity tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to create a censor beep in Audacity. It's pretty simple. At first I open Audacity, click on Generate and then on Tone. The default settings with sine as waveform, 1000 Hz and 0.7 as amplitude are already very good. Depending on how long you want the beep to be, you have to edit the duration down here. I click on OK, and here's my censor beep. So that your ears don't explode right away, I reduce the volume by 30 dB. Now let's listen to our censor beep. It sounds pretty good, and I think we could directly edit a talk show with it. And with this, we are already done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.